I guess if you're going to visit a loved one in an assisted care facility like that, keep your head on a swivel.
Yeah.
Peek around a little bit.
Check it out, man.
Not just with your own relative, but perhaps,
Sure.
as you're going down the hall, and make sure that everyone else is kind of okay. And that doesn't mean like peek your head in every room.
Right. Yeah. We're not talking about being nosy.
Right.
But also, investigate prior to. So a family is faced with a decision. Your mom and dad's getting older. There's a decision. They need to sell their home, and they need to move into an assisted living. Do your investigation. Ask. Call DHEC, find out how many reports have been made, interview some of the staff, talk to them and find out what the culture is there and find out who they're hiring. And we talk a lot about culture here in our law firm. Culture is important.
Yeah.
And it breeds good or it breeds bad. If you have a bad culture, it's bad.
What's interesting about some of these cases, though, it's kind of an old adage, but there almost always seems to be a former employee that comes out of the woodwork to say, it was bad, that's why I left. I had to get out of there because it wasn't, the culture of abuse didn't fit,
right? Didn't
sit well with them and their heart, so they thought they felt compelled to leave. And those witnesses coming forward can tell you a lot about the culture of a place like that.
Right, and a lot of times we've seen it's kind of like cancer.
Mm-hmm.
You get one or two bad employees, whether it's an assisted living place or a law firm, you get one or two bad employees, it infects the rest of them.
Mm-hmm.
Because if one is getting away with being sloppy and not turning the patient or not taking care of them, not making sure that they're cared for properly or not changing their clothes or not bathing them, well, if they get away with it once, they're going to get away with it again and then again. And suddenly now your loved one has gone, a couple of weeks without a bath, no clean clothes, no clean bedding. It's just it's a breeding ground for bad things. And so, do your investigation. And if you have a loved one in an assisted living, be on top of it. Make sure you know what's going on there.